Greetings everyone. Today, we will be exploring the process of registering customers and their corresponding opening balances. Now, let's jump into our example scenario. Based on the provided information, as of December 31, 2023, Zumna Technology Limited had 3 customers with outstanding balances. John Smith had a balance of $1,500, Emily Johnson had a balance of $2,000, and David Brown had a balance of $1,200. To document these details, find the customer's option on the left side of your software interface. Select it and then choose the option to create new customers. In the specified field for the name, input John Smith. You can ignore the other fields for now and proceed to save the information by selecting the Create button. To document the particulars for Emily Johnson, locate the customer's option on the left side of your software interface. Click on it and then select the option to create new customers. In the designated field for the name, input Emily Johnson. To save the information, click on the Create button. To document the details for David Brown, we will repeat the process. Click on the Customers button, then enter David Brown in the name field. Save the information by clicking on the Create button. To ensure accuracy, it is crucial to verify the correctness of information. To accomplish this, navigate to the Customers section located on the left side of the screen. Within this section, you can confirm that all necessary details have been accurately documented. Currently, only the list of customers has been provided without their corresponding opening balances. To proceed, let us move on to the next step of recording the opening balances for each customer. To do so, locate and click on the Journal Entry button situated at the bottom left corner of your software. To include the pertinent information, select Accounts Receivable in the Account column and specify John Smith as the customer's name. Then, record the customer balance of $1,500 in the debit column. In the following row, choose Accounts Receivable as the account in the Account column. Next, opt for Emily Johnson as the customer's name and input the customer balance of $2,000 in the debit column. Afterward, click on the Add Line button. Select Accounts Receivable as the account in the Account column, and choose David Brown as the customer's name. Enter the customer balance of $1,200 in the debit column. Please bear in mind that the option to select customers relies on registering their names within the accounting software. Before moving on to this section, make sure you comprehend the first part of this lesson. Please ensure that you provide a brief description for this particular transaction, such as opening balances, and specify the date of the transaction as December 31, 2023. Before saving, make sure to tick the reference box to maintain accurate records. Take a moment to review your entries and then click the Create button to save. It's important to carefully verify the accuracy of the information you entered. To do this, navigate to the Customers tab and select it. Here, you can confirm that all the necessary details have been accurately recorded. Each customer will have its corresponding balance displayed. If you are satisfied with the accuracy of the recorded information, you can proceed with confidence. In our upcoming lesson, we will guide you on how to record opening balances for suppliers using 8skies accounting software.